because the first court action was to keep him there, according to the first ruling, which was first made.
First and foremost, I would like to mention that as lawyers, and also speaking on behalf of relatives of the accused persons, we are not aware of the intended movement of the accused persons from Chimbogaila prison to any other prison facility in the country. We are never informed. I had an appointment with my client this morning around 9:30, and I had to go to prison merely to go and get instructions from him on other issues. I was not aware that they were being moved. And there was no time whatsoever for the legal team to take appropriate action to protect the rights of the accused persons. There was no time whatsoever. And when you take into account the heavy police presence coupled with the prison officials, the atmosphere was not conducive to do anything legal at that appropriate time. It was not possible. We were consoled ourselves yesterday that there was a court order that was signed by Honorable Sumsamba that the accused persons would be remanded at the Lusaka Central Prison. And we had the wrong impression that there are laws in this country and that there are no laws, that laws will be respected and they cannot be easily abrogated. But to our surprise, we have come to learn with shock that laws in this country are no longer applicable. Those in authority can apply whatever measures they want to take without taking into account the rights of accused persons. Yes.
Can we therefore state that these people are not willing to respect the laws of the court?
I wouldn't hesitate to state that, considering that here's a court order, a warrant that was signed yesterday, committing that these accused persons were to be at Lusaka Central Prison. That's where they are supposed to be. And not only this other order, there were also other orders that were signed by Honorable Sumsamba, giving the rights of other people to visit. And those court orders have not been varied by any authority in this country. They have decided to do whatever they have done with impunity. Assuming they had the right, at least they should have had the courtesy of informing the lawyers and the members of the family that the accused persons are being moved. And we should also note that accused number one, Hon Hichilema, is not just an ordinary person. He's a leader of the biggest opposition political party in this country. There are sensitivities to whatever the state does to him and his accused persons. Members of the press, unfortunately, morality, legality no longer applies in this country, unfortunately.
Have you been given any reasons as to why he was transferred?
No reasons were given. We attempted to have a discussion with the officers who were responsible, but they are all saying these are orders from higher authorities. We don't know which higher authorities they are referring to.
As regards to the legal process where a person has to appear primarily at the court, a place or premise where he was arrested, what is your next course of action in terms of him appearing in court?
I would not want to preempt what we intend to do with a view to protect the rights of our clients over this matter. Because, if I preempt, the others who do not want to respect laws will take our other actions to the detriment of our clients. So I'd rather remain mute on that particular issue.
Now, coming back to the question which I earlier asked, whether these people have the capacity to respect the law, and you were a little bit in the negative as to whether they respect, you said you doubt whether they do respect. In an event that the law or the court rules otherwise to the expectation, are you seeing a situation that they're going to honor the decision of the court to set free the accused, consider that these people now, they are considering this, that they are guilty even before they are tried.
It's not unusual. It's not unusual for this government to disobey court orders. So I will not, hasten to state that they may decide not to respect any court order. But we still have faith in the institutions of governance. We are law-abiding, and we'll try to endeavor to ensure that the due legal processes take place.